Welcome back to Car Magica. The 2026 Volkswagen Corrado is officially making a bold comeback, bringing a fresh and modern redesign to one of the most iconic sport compacts of the past. Recently spotted during testing in Germany, the all-new Corrado returns with a more muscular, upright design, reflecting Volkswagen's mission to blend performance, style, and everyday usability in a sleek package. One of the most significant updates is the vehicle's new shape, as the 2026 Corrado abandons its old wedge-like silhouette in favor of a more squared-off dynamic stance. The front windshield is now more upright, and the rear design is sharper, which could improve both aerodynamics and rear cargo room. At the back, the taillights are wider and have a more angular look, giving the Corrado a planted, aggressive presence on the road. Up front, the new Corrado adopts styling elements from Volkswagen's latest electric and performance models, including slim LED headlights and a sleek light bar running across the grille, adding a futuristic and tech-savvy flair. Just below, a larger grille opening gives the car a sporty and confident front face. This updated design helps the 2026 Corrado hold its own among modern performance vehicles while staying compact and practical enough for daily driving. The side profile of the Corrado reveals further changes, with a more upright shape and a stronger shoulder line that hints at added interior space and improved passenger comfort. Distinctive wheel arches remain, preserving the sporty DNA the Corrado is known for. Around the back, the reworked taillights now wrap around slightly, giving the car a broader, more stable stance. Under the hood, Volkswagen is taking a major step forward by offering the 2026 Corrado exclusively with electrified powertrains, available as both a traditional hybrid and a plug-in hybrid. The previous performance models already delivered solid efficiency, and the new Corrado is expected to take that further. The plug-in hybrid version could deliver up to 45 miles of electric-only driving range, while the hybrid model may average close to 40 miles per gallon. Power will likely come from a setup similar to the new Passat's hybrid system, featuring a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors. Front-wheel drive models will produce around 240 horsepower, while an optional all-wheel drive system could push that figure up to 260 horsepower. Since Volkswagen has already used this platform in other models, it's a smart move to bring it to the Corrado. The all-new 2026 Corrado is expected to make its official debut later this year, with sales beginning before the end of 2025. The hybrid version is expected to launch first, followed by the more powerful plug-in hybrid. Starting prices are estimated to begin in the low $30,000 range, making the revived Corrado an exciting option for enthusiasts and drivers seeking a stylish, efficient, and fun-to-drive sport compact coupe.